project where it is model number 150. It's called Synchronized Traffic Signal System on CAN, that is Control Area Network, to ease traffic congestion in metros. We have tried to give an example of typical a 3-junction system. This is one traffic junction, this is another traffic junction, and this is another traffic junction. The distance could be from here to here could be half a kilometer, and from here to here could be about 2 kilometers. And typically we know the signaling system on the right side, we find the signaling system for the vehicle movement or for the person movement. Now for this junction, this is the signal, for this junction, this is the signal, for this junction, this is the signal, as far as the movement of this side is concerned. We'll see when this becomes green, we will start moving, and we'll see by the time we start moving, when the vehicle start moving, you see this is red and it is going. By the time it reaches here, this becomes green, and then after that it starts moving, after that it starts moving, and by the time it reaches here, this becomes also green. So this is what is called synchronized traffic signal. Synchronized meaning that earlier what used to happen, that I get a green signal here, I reach here, I get red, and again I go there, I get red, every time I have to stop there. But then with a system of a synchronized system using CAN protocol or in a CAN bus, they can all be synchronized in the process that this will be transmitting information to this and this will be transmitting the information to this. In the process, the traffic congestion can be avoided, but the waiting time when a particular junction will be very, very low.